Yes, so my correct people, I don't come your way again with another ogbonge and legitimate information I would like share give all of una. The koko I bring come for you, my correct person, be say Governor Obaseki na he don increase minimum wage for Edo State workers to 70,000 naira, and he con dey yarn on conditions wey go make am increase the wage again. Meanwhile, the other koko I bring come for you na about Godwin Emefiele as he don go dey challenge court jurisdiction. No be small koko, my correct people. But before I dive into the matter, before I give you the full koko, I want first welcome you back to Anointed Lady TV. You know very well say for inside this channel now they like give you only ogbonge and legitimate news on wetin dey sup for inside we country, Nigeria. So if you never subscribe to the channel, make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell so that as we bring the news dey come, then you go first get the updates and you go get am sharp sharp. Anyhow the koko be for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Alright, my correct people, back to the koko of the hour, the matter of Godwin Emefiele, wey be the former Central Bank of Nigeria governor. Yes, so on Monday now they don go dey challenge the jurisdiction of one Ikeja Special Offences Court like that to hear the alleged abuse of office and multi-billion dollars fraud wey dem don plaster against im head. Now, based on information we gather, na Godwin Emefiele and im co-defendant wey be Henry Isioma na appear before the court, and na Mr. Olalekan Ojo na he appear for Godwin Emefiele. Then Mr. Kasim Gbadamosi na come appear for the co-defendant of Godwin Emefiele. His name na Henry Isioma. Then for inside the motion now of Mr. Olalekan Ojo, this motion now wey be say the notice carry the date April 24. He come dey argue now say the court now no get constitutional jurisdiction to dey hear the charge wey they don level against Godwin Emefiele. No be small matter, my correct people. According to how he take yarn am, he say before they come dey even dey talk about this case, before they even dey allow this kind of case sef, say need dey to check jurisdictional status. Say this court now they no even get the jurisdiction first of all to dey allow this kind of case. No be this court now wey they supposed to bring the matter come give. You understand? Jurisdiction mean say, you know, like court now, you get the kind of court wey go carry husband and wife matter go drop now, they go hear you, they go settle the matter. And you get some kind of court wey they go carry criminal matter, they go give. You understand? So if you can dey carry criminal matter now, they go court wey be say na only husband and wife issue, all these family related issues now they like settle for there, e go get as e go be. So now they come play for here, they come carry this matter now, come go give different kind of court. So now wetin Mr. Olalekan come dey yarn dey give the court, say this defendant say no be this court they supposed to carry am come at all based on constitutional levels. And then consider yarn say all the charges now they don plaster against the first defendant, say all of them dey unconstitutional. No be small koko. So he come dey yarn dey give the lordship say make the man try do wetin dey right, make him follow the path of legality and constitutionality to determine this application. That is, as the lordship now dey touch like this matter, make him know very well say as in court now no get jurisdiction, make him just do the right thing concerning the matter. Because some kind judges now, even as they no get jurisdiction, they will still do strong head based on say they don't put some kind thing for inside pocket. You understand? Nowhere where corruption no deal, so it just be for inside the country, Nigeria. But my correct people, you know say the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission be EFCC, their counsel wey be say na Mr. Rotimi Oyadepo na lead dem come. He come dey urge the court to say make him dismiss the application of the first defendant counsel. Say that one now na to just delay justice. So na so the koko be like, my correct person, any item be you for body, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. Now who dey delay justice concerning this matter? Because wetin this man dey talk now, wetin Mr. Olalekan Ojo dey yarn concerning him own counsel, if he touch like chance na true. If you wan judge this matter now, this man now no talk say make dem no follow up the case o. Although he not already dey yarn say the allegations wey dem plaster on top in defendant head say e dey unconstitutional, whether to delay justice or whether no be to delay justice but small truth dey wetin in the yarn. You understand? But anyhow it be for body, feel free make a drop am inside our comment section. Meanwhile, the other koko I bring come for you be say the Edo State Governor be Godwin Obaseki. He don increase the minimum wage of workers wey dey inside the state civil service to 70,000 naira, and this one now dey take effect from May 1st, 2024. And Governor Godwin Obaseki in dey yarn this one as they commission the labour house wey dem build for the organized labour for inside the state. And this particular house, my correct person, dem name am after Adams Oshomole wey be the former governor of Edo State. Now as Godwin Obaseki wey be the current governor for inside Edo State, although im ten ure go so finish na just few months na remain, but the koko now be say im don already dey yarn say administration dey go increase the new minimum wage for the state workers from 40,000 naira to 70,000 naira, and im constantly promise say im go increase the monthly salary of workers to over 70,000 naira. Say that 70 now na just try say e go pass. That is if the federal government now come approve the new minimum wage for their workers. According to him, na him say the details of this new minimum wage say him go let everybody know, him go let the public know during the celebrations of this year workers day wey go happen for inside Wednesday wey be May 1st. So na so the koko be like my correct person. Any item be you for body, feel free make a drop am inside our comment section, and make you share this news now to your family and friends, especially those ones wey dey inside Edo State. Make dem know very well say good news don land. I know very well say most of them now go happy when dem hear this koko because good thing dey road dey come. May 1st now no far again. Get I go close eye open am 2 times, e don enter May 1st na just few days away. Understand? The increment na reason to jolly, because for inside this economic times wey be say everywhere get as e be based on wetin our president Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration don put us through. Increment now na good news. Anywhere wey increment dey now na good news. And my correct person know say we don give you report na wey our president wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu im don dey yarn say this administration say why dem remove fuel subsidy, say e dey necessary, say our country Nigeria e wan be go bankrupt na make dem remove am. Im come dey yarn things and things wey be say if to say im talk am in face of countrymen dem, I know say dem for give am slap, because countrymen dem para well well when im remove that fuel subsidy. They no get joy at all. As dem remove fuel subsidy now, increment of this minimum wage now e no dey o. Now this period now they want to increase salaries, they want to kind of stuff them, to do make sense. But as far as they don't dey increase them, now still good something, e good, because that period now it make people para well now, because as everything now they increase, salary too they increase. Salary now just stand by, just plaster for where in dey. That our 30,000 minimum wage, that our 40,000 minimum wage. But price of transportation they increase, food commodities they increase, all this kind of stuff there. E follow for wetin make country people come dey vex about the fuel subsidy. But anyway everywhere good, everywhere safe go still good, you understand? Because based on wetin dey yarn now, he say everywhere now go still make we just do the camps for inside we country Nigeria. But e go good if them too they come dey increase minimum wage too, make them do those things wey be say go make country people dem smile. Shey you agree? Anything wey dem know very well say go make country men smile, they no go come dey reason these hard times and make them try do am. I pray make e be say they get this message, make they lis ten to this koko, make they yarn and say yes na Anointed Lady TV wey be say we would like bring ogbonge and legitimate news until they sup for inside we country Nigeria. So if you now you never subscribe to this channel, make you try go subscribe and make you turn on the notification bell, so that as they bring the news they come, now you go first get the update and you go get am sharp. But anyhow the koko be for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section and make you try to share our news to your family and friends, so that them too they go get update until they sup for inside we country Nigeria. I dey bring another update for you, my correct person. No go anywhere.